Welcome to the library! Library Lily here. It's my sister Mochi's first library visit and she's feeling a little nervous. Let's help her out by showing her how to use the library and give her a little tour of the space. Our library is such an awesome place. It has thousands of books for us to borrow, and I love that it's such a calm, inviting place, especially if we know how to work together and be library leaders. When we come into the library, we always walk and use a quiet voice level. The library is like a big classroom, so we need quiet to focus and to read our books. Food and drinks are not allowed in the library in order to keep the books and the space nice and clean. We return books on time every week on our library day by placing them on the cart, spine out by the door when we come in. We bring our books back every week, even if we want to renew them, which means check them out for another week. After returning our books, we might sit at the tables to learn, or sometimes we might sit on the big carpet for a story. Make sure you use a safe body no matter where you are sitting, and that you are listening and being respectful to whoever is speaking. Each table is marked with a different ocean animal, and those match with a materials caddy in case we do activities or projects. Those caddies should be put back on their cart at the end of library time. Oh, and don't forget to push in your chair whenever you get up. We always try to leave the library looking better than we found it. When looking for books on the shelves, we always use a shelf marker so we know where to put a book back if we don't want it. If we forget that, we can just put the book on this cart to be reshelved. Books always go on the shelf with the spine out so we can read the title and the call number. Oh, and it might be tempting, but please don't push books back. It's hard to read the titles and it just looks messy. They should be close to the edge of the shelf. This doesn't look right. There, that's better. Now let me show you around the library. Here are some of our newest books: fiction, picture books, nonfiction. This section is the Everyone Picture Book section. These are early chapter books. A lot of them are series. Books with no words. The fiction chapter book section. Picture books for older readers. Graphic novels. Fairy tales and folk tales. Spanish and bilingual. World holidays and celebrations. Nonfiction, or books about things that are real. Early reader green label nonfiction. Drawing books. iPads used for searching the library catalog. The comfy chair corner. When you're ready to check out, this is the circulation desk where you can line up, get your library card, and check out your books. Once you check books out, it's your responsibility to keep them safe until you return them. Then you can go sit at your table and read until it's time to go. You can always ask your librarian if you need help or if you have any questions. Oh, and always remember to be kind. Let's keep the library a calm and safe place where everyone feels welcome. Now you're a library expert. Good job, Mochi! Now let's explore and enjoy the library.